Hi, I think TenantCloud's tenant screening services are extremely easy to use. Um, Really no problems in getting it set up and getting things listed and then going on with the tenants. And I really appreciate that it's a one-stop shop. So yes, I've been using these services for quite some time, and I've seen some of the improvements that they've made along the way, and they have been very good improvements, um, the segment, the part of the system where you go in and you can see what tenant inquiries you've had, what so the people who have expressed interest. It used to be that if you went in and looked at some of them individually and then went back out, it really wasn't in any kind of good order, and you had to sort through which ones have I seen and which ones I haven't. Now all the new ones come in at the bottom of the list and they stay where they came in on the list, which is really, really super helpful. Saves a lot of time because you can have a lot of inquiries, and it's awful for us to have to sort that through. The background screening has also improved. The credit check options and background check options are a lot simpler to see and choose. So that's been appreciated. I haven't seen any issues from the tenant side at all in them using the system. I think, with every little improvement, I've seen them and I've appreciated them. So keep that up. Yes, I would, and I have recommended TenantCloud's system and the tenant screening services to other landlords. I just appreciate a total one-stop shop. We have about 19 units, and we started this business several years ago. I can honestly say I would not be in this business. I would not be owner of a business like this if I didn't have a one-stop shop that made so many things, including the screening services, so much easier. Totally and highly recommended. The TenantCloud's screening process has made it possible for us to continue on with our business and continue expanding our business, which we've done every year since creation. Because it's a one-stop shop, because it is a cloud-based system, so I can look at it on any of my devices, because I can have a property manager have access also to the system if I choose, etc. It has just enabled our business in a way that I'm confident would not have continued if I did not have a system like this to work with.